Hi guys, so we're back for another video. Today we're going to be installing the, I don't know how you say it, Canards, something like that. These are cheap or super cheap eBay listing ones. They bend, they kind of mold to your bumper. The reason I went for these rather than riveted ones, these are expendable and I don't have to basically ruin my front bumper by drilling holes through it to get it attached. So these I can take off at any point, blah blah blah. So these cost about £5. You can get them between £3 and probably 10-15 quid, but they're all made in the same place. They're all made in China. They all come with this tape that's a rip-off 3M tape, as you can see. But it's basically just a little foam tape. I have replaced it with my own foam tape. So I've cut it myself and I've made it a little bit wider, so it actually holds on a little bit better than this. Funny story, already bought a set of these. One of them flew off down the motorway, so I bought another set and I've done my own tape, like I said, to hopefully keep it on a little bit better. So the plan is basically clean the car off. I'm only going to clean the areas that I'm working on with some methylated spirit. That should make it nice and smooth. Measure it out. I'm going for about a 10.5 centimeter gap between my two, so I'm going to have like one like this, and then a 10.5 centimeter gap, and then another one like this, obviously with the proper one. I don't know whether I've got two of the same, something like that. Anyway, basically 10.5 gap, and I'm going to have two on each side and go from there. But I'll walk you guys through the steps now. Yeah, so we're back outside. As you can see, it's the original one that actually has survived. Got a bit of methylated spirit, as you can see there on here, and I'm literally just going to rub and clean the area that I'm going to be sticking the canard, I don't know, I'm probably saying that completely wrong. So I'm going to clean it off, make sure it's nice and dry. I'm going to do the same to the other side, and then I'm going to measure up. So got my tape measure. I'm going to measure up 10.5. Then once I've measured up 10.5, I'm going to put a little mark there, and then go and stick it from there. Okay, so I've now basically measured up. I've done myself a little corner here, so I'm going to basically put that corner into there. Also, I'm masking it down here, so I'm going to slide that up until it reaches that line, and then we've got that look. So that's the plan. Okay, so quick update. I've done it slightly differently this time. I've now measured from, what is that? Oh, it's dirt. Whew, I thought it was a stone chip. Anyway, measured from here to there, and I've kind of followed, I don't know if you can see, basically this line here. I've followed just underneath that line, which kind of joins up to your wheel arch over here. And then from here I've done there to there. And now when I put this on, it lines up like that. And all good. Okay, so I've stuck it on. Really easy to do, literally. If you peel half of this up, get it to about halfway, just with sticking out the back, you can stick this lower section down, and then if you pull the red tape out as you're sticking it, you can line it up nicely and get it how you want it. But there you go. Now just do the other side. Okay, so I'm going to try and do this while recording. Basically, I've peeled off half of it. I'm going to line that up so it sits like that. I'm just going to do this without looking at my camera. It's about there. Again, we're going to look at the top. That looks kind of okay. Bottom looks kind of okay, so I'm just going to stick that bit. I'm just going to get my red tab ready outwards. So that will now basically, as I pull this, the slit will come out, and hopefully you can see down that gap that the red tape will come out as you pull. So basically, see if I can do this. So I'm going to pull and stick. And there's my second one. As you can see, they're both the exact same angle, pretty much anyway. I literally just measured it once again from this point to the same point on the other one, from the top to the... Wow!